Hello viewers, welcome to my another video. In today's video, I will show you how to change your iPhone charger connected sound. Now you can add custom sound. For example, charger connected. When you connect your charger, your iPhone say charger connected. So now we see how to add custom sounds. First, go to your iPhone shortcut app. Then tap on automation. Tap on plus icon. Now tap create personal automation. Now swipe down and tap on charger. Select is connected. Then tap on next. Tap on add action. Now tap search and type speak text. Now tap on speak text. Type here charger connected. Now you can change voice female or male. Tap show more and choose which you want to add. Okay, done. Now tap on next.
Charger connected.
It was today's video. If you like the video, please subscribe Apple Info channel. Thanks for watching.